the monkeys off our back. No goose egg.
All in the sake of killing ducks. This is what we got. I know my wife's ready for me to get out of here. Get all this stuff back where it goes. But we're heading down river this morning. And we're gonna see what we can do. Hopefully get some good footage for you guys. Stick around to find out. Doing a little mid-afternoon prep for tomorrow's morning hunt. My partner found a little pocket to come back in. That's where they seem to be migrating to. So in the morning time, we're gonna see what we can get in.
Once he shot, he jumped up and like, whoa, smoked him.
I didn't even see him.
I saw it. You said 1, 2.
Two of them.
Pick one up. 1, 2.
Drop it. Drop them.
I hit the one on the left.
Me and both smoked the one on the right.
Sorry for the camera angle, guys. The hat clip wasn't really working out, but so far this morning, southeast Louisiana, down to Venice, down the road, we got 5 ducks in the water.
Within 10 minutes.
It's 6:03 in the morning, and we done started shooting. Venice is where it's at, guys.
Great. Huh?
Oh yeah. I wish we didn't have to get out, bro.
Now you make a blind. Boss chicken, baby. Now you see what happens if you do half barrel ham bone and only smoke the head? Good bird.
As you can see, we're no longer in a mud boat because just a part of any other hunting trip, you're gonna run into some technical difficulties. So right now we're heading back to the marina to try to find some 25 amp fuses because we no longer have a mud boat that works. So y'all stay tuned, see if we can make this evening hunt happen or not.
Hey, shoot that one going by you, Steve. Look, it's in the front, swimming still. Look, straight out that way. All right, watch out. How many we got? Hey, we gotta go get him, though. We gotta.
Wait.
Shoot. Got him?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Looked like Chris and them had a great time in Venice. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on any new content. And hitting that subscribe button, you get entered in a chance to our giveaway, where you can win free stuff. So why not? Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. We appreciate it. Support the channel more than you know. Tell your friends, tell your family.